Hi guys, it's me Wajeeha and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a wedding invitation card. So let's get started. First open Canva and type here wedding invitation. There are different sizes, you can choose whatever you want. I will choose landscape wedding invitation card. There are so many different templates in Canva which you can use to make your own design, but I will start from scratch. For this wedding invitation card, first we need to choose a background. So I will type here a pink background. I need a textured background here, so I will search it from here. I want a light color background, so I will choose this one. Now I need a border, so I will search from border here. There are so many different borders, you can choose whatever you want. I will choose this border and rotate it and increase the size of this border and change the color into pink and adjust it to my and increase the size of this border. Now it's giving an amazing look. Now we will search for a bride and groom here. So there are so many graphics which you can use in your design. I will choose this one because it's matching with my card, so I will put it here and increase the size of it. Now I will search for bride and groom ring. I found it here, so I will choose this one, bring it here. I will change the color of these like girl dress. And decrease the size of this ring and put it. Now we will type our text here. Now change the color of this text. And now we type our heading like the name of bride and groom. Change the font into Great Vibes and change the color also into pink. Now I will type the location and the time of the wedding here. Change the color into, decrease the size, bring the text here. We need pink flowers for the corners of this card. So I will search it from here. There are so many different designs. Choose this one, and now I rotate it and decrease the size of these flowers and put it here. Now again choose this one and flip it horizontal and I can bring it here. So this is how you can create wedding invitation card from scratch. And if you found this tutorial helpful, tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.